Hello everybody. So today I want to talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations and double integrals. So now I want to show you how to answer. So in this situation, I will choose about dy. So why do I need to choose about dy? Because the integration of this one in here does it contain about y. So we have e to the power of s to the power of 3y over s to the power of 3. So when we do first the derivative of this one in here, you got the same of this one because they eliminate about s to the power of 3 on the power in here after doing first the derivative. So this one I will put number 0 and number 2. This one does it about 0 and number 2. So for this one, we put the powers in here from 0 to number 2. So s to the power of 5 divided by s to the power of 3. We have 6s to the power of 2. Now we put number 2 in here and we have es to the power of 3 with number 2 minus 6s squared. So we put number 0 on here. This one you got 0. So that's about number 1. And we just have only 6s squared. Now we just concentrate on this one. So we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to 2s to the power of 3. This one we have du equal to 6s squared ds. Later that we need to change the powers. When s equals to number 0 that's it in here, and I will put this one cone here, and u equals to number 0. When s equals to number 2, so we put number 2 cone here, and we have u equals to number 16. This one we change by u. 6s squared ds we change by du. So we have e to the power of u, and we put the powers from 0 to number 16. And this one we have number 1. So the integration of this one in here, that is about 2s to the power of 3. And now we put the powers from 0 to number 2. And this one we calculate. And that is about number 16. And now we have the final answer.